My baby has finally arrived in her cradle. This is the cradle of my baby, Grace, and she has finally arrived in this cradle. First look of the baby Grace in her cradle. And she is now feeling thoda sa hungry. How is she? Baby's papa made this. Yeah. Baby's yeah. Baby's papa made this for baby. Yes. Yeah.
The story of this cradle began when I came to know that I am going to become a father. I thought I need to do something, and this idea came to me that baby needs cradle because the first 6 months it's safe to put baby in the cradle. With this general idea, I started searching for the designs in the woodworking magazines, and I zeroed in one design from US woodworker, and based on the dimensions mentioned in the design, I followed it and was able to complete the cradle. The cradle I started making 6 months before baby was born. One thing to tell you guys that I am not a pro and I am not a carpenter, but I learned woodworking with the passage of time during making of this cradle. This planer really helped me in planing the wood because in the manual planer I was not able to do it, and this planer really helped me in planing the wood, straightening the wood so that exact dimension can be cut. This planer is of Bosch company and I brought it from Patna for approximately 6,000 bucks.
finally this is over. This is completed and I am taking out carefully, making sure it doesn't fall. See, this and this, you see the pattern. The pattern is clear. Here, here, and here. The best thing is that even if it is not final, because I have to place it before finally, but if you see here, if the camera person can come here, see, there is no space, like this is the thing, okay? And overall, if you place this, there is no spacing in between. See, you place here, place here, place here. It means all surfaces are 1980 and this is complete. And after doing this, I should place this on a plate surface so that it doesn't bend. On a plate surface. So this is what I do to mark. Now to mark that it is A2. Because you have to keep somewhere and cover up, otherwise you will forget it. Like this is this dimension A2 foot 17 by 16 and this 4 by this is the dimension 7 by 16 into 1 by 2 into 24. This is foot. And you keep it two places so that both sides you are able to A2 4. We have defined A2 this 4 and 1 7 by 6. This is an inch. Multiply by 2 1 by 2 multiply 24. Now for example, this is your approximately, if you want to see in inches, it is approximately 3. 3 feet. 1 feet is this, and centimeter way, this is 8 centimeter approximately. So, like this, you have to make record of this. And but both this base is completed. Now next time I will do this one and this one, so that this one is completed and I am able to make a stand. Then I will make the real product. That's it. That's all for now. Thank you.
The most important aspect of woodworking is the joinery. The moment you are able to learn how to join the woods, then your 90% of the work is over. In this case, the front and the back side of the cradle, it requires to join two woods, which I was able to make like this. I joined it in such a way that it will never fall apart, and I put insertion of X wood so that even if weight is there, it will never fall apart. These X blocks were separately cut. What I did, I took a piece of wood, took the dimensions of the area to be where this wood has to be inserted, and carefully cut it. So ultimately, if you are able to correctly make the dimension, the wood will be long lasting and the finishing will be excellent. I also used glue to fix this, to join these woods, because glue is much better than the normal Fevicol when joints are to be made. After you have put the glue, you need to take out the glue when it is 50 to 60% dry, because then marks will not be there of the glue on the wood, and less work you have to do for cleaning the wood.
This I have finished. 2 pieces will be ready. This is my back of the cradle, 2 sides. This is my whole Cradle ka material, and now only thing is left is to join using the best of the joinery. I have this thing. This is how I'm making this Cradle. This is 16 mm hole. This is 12 mm hole. And I'm going to make it like this. It's very difficult, really difficult. This is the most, I think, difficult part to see till now, because precision is required to make it proper. Till now, so far so good. Only one error. This one. But I think it can also be corrected because the drill went through the wood. Apart from that, everything is fine. That's it. Closer. See, there should be box more than 9 and a half I kept precisely. See, 9 and a half, more than 9 and a half. थोड़ा सा, so that when we tuck, it reduces. Like this, I have to make, I have marked it here. This is 9.5 approximately. I put it, fix it in near the vise. This is then see the where to cut. It will also be again more than 9.5. See, exactly, precisely 9.7.